Next CC, empowering students through design. Nature Play Project. Students are placed in the driver's seat as they redesign the space in which they play, exploring ideas about what it is to play. Whether dramatic, active, or creative, play can be a well-known game or completely imaginary. Students use word webs, site maps, and site programming to become aware of where they are. They tell the time from sun and shadows, planning active and passive, open and intimate, wet and dry areas connected by paths and destination points. Most importantly, students are encouraged to draw nature back into play. As always, students and teachers retain free access to our e-learning resource.